Agriculture. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, Business Ideas. In this video, we will be talking about agriculture and how to make money in this sector. But before we begin, be sure to subscribe to our channel so you never miss out on our latest uploads. Now, without further ado, let's begin with today's video. Today, I'm going to tell you about ways that you can make money in agriculture using your land or using others' grown products to make money. Wait, agriculture? You mean cultivating and then harvesting? No, it's a cumbersome job, plus it's an old economic institute, and it doesn't have any potential. How can it make us rich? Don't worry guys, despite it being the oldest economic institute, it has a tremendous potential to make you a rich person. But the only thing it doesn't give you is quick money. Since time immemorial, humans have developed different methods of cultivation and different crops to be cultivated. Various crops have been added to the already existing stock of crops. New methods of watering and plowing the land has been discovered, enabling us to plow hundreds of acres in hours. A number of vegetables, fruits, grains, and cereals are now grown on a large number of scales. Plus, modern technology enables this large-scale production to be preserved and kept for a long period of time. With all of these game-changing additions in agriculture, the capacity to earn more from this sector has also significantly risen. Because you can now grow more crops on competitively less land due to the advanced technologies in seed. Sorry, I forgot to say, agriculture is not just about cultivation. You can raise livestock or poultry to make money. Without wasting much time, let me share with you 8 different ideas that you can use to your advantage to make money. Tips for you. 1. Analyze market and the current needs of it, keeping your region and area in mind. Number 2. Look at the demand and supply chain, whether you are plunging into a safe zone or not. Number 3. Weigh how much you can afford to invest. Similarly, weight how much you can afford to lose. Number 4. Do not expect overnight return, because it's agriculture and you have to be patient. Number 5. Dedicate yourself, because the only thing agriculture needs is hard work and dedication. 8 ways to make money in agriculture sector. 1. Grow vegetables. It is one of the best and fastest crops in terms of profit. It will normally take 70 to 120 days for a vegetable to become ripe and ready to be consumed. There are many local vegetables, you name it, that you can grow. However, there are risks involved, like those insects and diseases. You can use modern medicine to ward off diseases and greenhouse and rain shelter technology to protect your crops from insects. Some of the more profitable vegetables are goji berries, mushrooms, lavender, microgreens, and more. Number 2. Grow sunflowers. Sunflowers are the most profitable seed plants used for edible oil. It is also a nutritious plant that renders a handsome amount of energy to its consumers. It is called a commercial plant because it is highly in demand and will always fetch you a profit. The only thing you need to cultivate is the land. After you have it, you need seed and the right process to grow this plant. And the best thing about it is that you can extract the oil from its seed. It just needs a small machine for extraction. You can then make your own labels and packing and sell that same oil locally. Number 3. Growing fruits. Fruits are unequivocally one of the best sources of nutrition. They are delicious and widely liked and consumed, depending on the region and the nature and fertility of the land. You can also grow fruits with large trees, such as apples, mangoes, oranges, apricots, and peaches. Its benefit is that you only need a one-time plantation, and every season you can milk them. You can also grow fruits with small plants, which are cultivated every season and only last one season, such as blueberries, raspberries, watermelons, and cherries. And the best thing about fruits is they are readily sold. Number 4. Growing saffron. Sometimes it's called gold. Well, it should always and all the time be called gold. Saffron is one of the costliest plants on earth. It is a powerful antioxidant containing anti-aging elements in itself. Similarly, it is used as an aphrodisiac, making it more valuable. Although it is hard to cultivate, but that hardness comes with a benefit. The harder it is to cultivate, the more costly it is to buy, and the more profitable it is for you. 10 grams of saffron are equivalent to $50. Now, I'm no drug dealer, but it is actually the exact same price as weed. And why do something illegal when you can earn the same amount of money with legal plants? Number 5. Raising livestock. Though it needs investment, it is one of the most promising businesses of the world. you can raise a herd of cows or goats. The benefit of the farmer over the latter is that cows are really productive in terms of dairy. With dairy prices rising, you can expect them to earn for you on a daily basis. Similarly, when they give birth to young calves, they can also be sold or raised for much higher prices. Plus, they can be used for meat, which can also fetch you a large sum of money. But the problem is that they are slow to reproduce. Here comes the benefit of the latter over the former. Goats reproduce really fast, turning a small number into a herd. Another quality of goats is that their meat is twice the price of cows. The faster they reproduce, the quicker you can sell them and make money. Number 6. Broiler chicken farming. The word brings up an image of Colonel Harland Sanders, the founder of KFC. This guy changed the lives of chickens and made them the easiest prey for your tables. We're just kidding, guys. Modern technologies and medicines allow poultry to be raised in just 5 to 6 weeks, which is the fastest way to raise poultry as compared to domestication, which takes almost 4 months. 1 kilogram of chicken meat would cost you almost $12 US, and it takes almost 7 weeks for a broiler to reach 1 kilogram of weight. So you can easily estimate that here, the chances are high. Number 7. Poultry farming for eggs. This type of farming is also a profitable one, and here the chances of disease raising your farm are far lower. It takes nearly 16 weeks for a chicken to lay an egg. 1 chicken can lay an egg a day, and the average egg price is not a specific price in a specific country. It's $2.41, and the reason the Western countries have a high price for eggs is the low production in these countries. By raising 100 chickens, you can earn a hefty amount of money every day. Number 8. Farming bees. Do you have a wife or girlfriend that you call honey? I'm not talking about that honey. The actual honey honeybees produce. Keeping honeybees is an astonishingly profitable business that costs less and gives you more profit. Every season, beekeepers extract honey from beehives. You can easily afford some boxes of honeybees without investing too much money. You don't need any specific place for bees, just keep it in a suitable place. They are really sharp at finding food and honey. A group of 550 bees can easily produce 1 pound of honey, and a 3-pound box can inhabit in itself almost 10,000 bees. If you do this simple math, that will be almost 20 pounds of honey per season, fetching you more than enough profit. Well guys, that's all we have for you here today. What are your thoughts on this? Get involved and let us know in the comment section below about what you think about today's video. If you liked this video and found it informative, then please give this video a thumbs up. Also, if you don't want to miss out on any future videos like these, then be sure to click on the subscribe button, and then turn on the notification under this video so that you're notified the next time we upload a new video. Thanks for watching, guys. We hope you have a great day, and we'll see you in the next video.